like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you happen to just be browsing and you hear my voice, I'm Fergie. Please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. So guys, as you know, mango season is upon us and mangoes are delicious. And if you love mangoes as I do, let's jump right into my delicious mango pancake recipe. So here I have my fresh puree mangoes and my baking powder, sugar, salt, cardamom, flour, all-purpose flour, milk, and butter. So those are my ingredients for today, guys. This is my flour. Adding my mango puree. Sugar, baking powder, milk, tip of salt, guys, push down the side, make sure everything is incorporated. I'm gonna whisk this until it's lump free. Okay guys, with your pan slightly greased, this should make around 4 pancakes, and you're gonna cook on both sides. And I'll see you guys at presentation. Okay guys, here's my delicious mango pancake, and I do a little mango puree to eat with it because this is all mangoes. I don't need syrup. I hope you guys enjoy and you should try it out. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye bye.